Inside, you'll find the EB1s Power Supply. Compact, efficient, and built for reliable standby performance. Also included is the AC power adapter, providing consistent input power for standard installations. A dedicated ground wire is included to ensure proper bonding and code-compliant setup. For battery configurations, the optional battery balancer cable helps maintain even charge distribution across connected batteries. And for complete system integration, the optional battery harness kit simplifies installation and reduces wiring complexity. Dual outputs, output 1 and output 2, can be adjusted to 60 or 75 volts, but come factory set at 90 volts. Dedicated battery balancer port. Battery balancer status indicator lights for system visibility. Front-facing LCD screen, integrated battery circuit breaker, serial communication port, tamper switch port, dedicated cabinet indicator port, a battery temp port, the 36-volt 50-amp battery connector port. On the side panel, the integrated DOCSIS 3.1 modem provides remote communication capabilities. Included stickers display the unit's MAC address and serial number for network registration. An Ethernet port allows direct network connectivity. A serial port is available for local configuration and diagnostics. The RF connector accepts a coaxial cable for modem communication. Status indicator lights confirm modem power, connectivity, and online status. Complete modem setup according to your company's provisioning procedures. PSC 3PM power supply cabinet with a 3-battery capacity. Optional tamper integration point. External status light connection. Dedicated 90-volt output to the LPI. Duplex receptacle providing 120-volt input power. Mount the EB1s on the top rack of the cabinet, allowing direct access to the duplex power port. Verify proper placement before proceeding. Next, slide the battery tray out to allow easier access during installation. For this demonstration, we're using 3 Multilink Pantheon 12.8-volt, 100 amp-hour lithium iron phosphate batteries. Position all batteries with the positive terminals facing forward. The EB1s is compatible with approved battery configurations. Now we'll connect the battery harness. Remove the protective red terminal cap. Loosen and remove the terminal bolt. In this configuration, the batteries are wired in series to achieve the required system voltage. Route the battery harness down from the upper section of the cabinet. If a battery balancer kit is being used, route those leads at the same time. Connect the positive terminal first. Secure the terminal bolt and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Repeat the process for the remaining connections. Once all connections are complete, reinstall the protective terminal caps. Verify all connections are tight and properly oriented before energizing the system. With the interconnect cables installed, the batteries are now wired in series. Each negative terminal connects to the next positive terminal, creating a continuous voltage chain. The final black lead connects to the remaining negative terminal. This completes the series configuration. Verify that all series jumpers are secure and properly torqued. Slide the battery tray back into place. Connect the AC power cord to the duplex receptacle. Plug the power inserter main 90-volt output into output 1. Connect the battery harness to the battery connector port, red to positive. If using a battery balancer, connect it to the individual battery ports. Plug the external LED indicator into the cabinet indicator port. Connect the tamper switch lead to the tamper switch port. Install the battery temperature sensor into the battery temp port. After connecting the battery temperature probe, route the sensor lead to the lower section of the cabinet. Position the sensor between batteries 1 and 2 to ensure accurate thermal readings. Confirm the probe is secure and not pinched before closing the tray. Once all connections have been verified, switch the battery circuit breaker to the on position. The display will then populate with battery status information. You will also see the BBM status indicator turn green. A green status light confirms proper installation and normal operation. To review system alarms, press the ALM button. The display will indicate any major or minor alarm conditions. For a complete walkthrough of the EB1s LCD menu system, refer to the installation manual for detailed configuration options.